Here he comes. Look at that. That's because I stuck my hand out the window and gave him a thumbs up.
I just need you to put an elbow in my shoulder. Great.
Thinking about it after what you said. Somebody laugh, feel like we're in.
Radio 1's group chat with Nat and Vicky.
And two of the yeah, they're all out to date, mate. Don't you worry about it. Dickheads everywhere.
Why are they allowing that child to climb that?
I don't think he's supposed to be up there.
No, he's not. That's a structural beam.
Okay. Doing? What was the point in that? Very strange. If you were going to turn left, why did you change lanes? Very odd.
Inside the treehouse were two big, old fluffy chairs, a table, a cupboard crammed.
So, there's a crossing right there. Feel free to use it. There's even a button you can press to stop traffic.
Why are you indicating left either? Oh, is it also on the wrong side?
Isn't there?
There you go. Looks like a breakdown.
Yeah. Can't park there. Well, dickhead said it to me, so...
Yeah, when you broke down, yeah.
And then the cheek of it, I had somebody go...
Do you want to buy a new
"You
car?
alright?" And I thought, I think the clerk, and he was like, "Oh, I work at car shop, come and see me, I'll do your new car." I was like...
stupid place to stop.
And she was like, oh, I haven't really got any change. Can you pay by card? I was like, oh, yeah, okay.
They love parking on these double yellows, don't they? Alright. Number one, he's in the bike box, but his road positioning, what's going on? Ah, yes, the police bike. I always wanted to see the police bike, and here you go. It's a 73 plate police bike. Chop chop! You were that eager to be that close to the stop line.
ceasefire, but this is it's a kind of interim agreement. It is 30 days. The Russians have already issued those orders, so it will come into effect.
It's not old enough to be nice, it's just boxy 70s.
No, that one's got a bit of style to it.
A bit?
Well,
Christmas tree.
Jesus. It's been a target, hasn't it?